In this video, I will show you how to verify your identity and address online for YouTube AdSense instantly. This online method eliminates the need for an AdSense PIN for address verification, making the process faster and smoother. So, you don't need to wait for the address PIN to arrive at your post office. If you reached your minimum payment threshold, you will see this notification on your AdSense account. Tap on Action. Tap on Action again. Here you will see two options for verification. The first is the online instant method, and the second one is the manual old method that requires ID and mail PIN verification. If you're eligible for the online verification process, you'll see the option to Verify Now. Tap on Verify Now. Click on Continue. You'll be redirected to Persona, Google's identity verification partner. Click on Begin Verifying. Now choose your country. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Select the type of ID you'll use. For this demonstration, I will use a national ID. You can select your preferred option. Click on the camera icon. Then take a clear photo of the front side of your ID. Click Use this photo. Next, take a photo of the back side of your ID. Then click Use this photo. Wait a few seconds while your ID is being verified. Review and confirm your personal details like full name, date of birth, etc. Make sure the details match the ones on your AdSense account. Then enter your address and tap Continue. The second step is facial verification. Tap Get Started. Slowly turn your face left, then right, and then center again. The Persona app will guide you through every step. Let the system scan and compare your face with your ID photo. If everything matches, you'll receive a message. Congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. Now return to your AdSense account to confirm that identity verification is complete. If you did everything correctly, you will start earning money through YouTube AdSense instantly. No need for address or PIN verification.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.